Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to use ChatGPT to automate and create a complete PowerPoint presentation from scratch. So let's get started. I have a list of topics of interest that I'll be blogging about. So one of them is this one here, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the content for this. So let me go here and actually, rather than start from here, let me go to the DALL-E plugin, DALL-E tool here, because I'm going to ask it to generate some images eventually. So I'm going to ask it, can you create an outline for a PowerPoint presentation on the following topic? Okay, so, and it will come up with that outline. And so that is, and then I will then ask it a follow-up question. Okay. And let's see. Okay. So I'll ask it a follow-up question. Can you elaborate on each of the above slides? Include the content for each slide based on your knowledge. Okay. And there we go. Okay, so once it's done, I'll ask it for one more thing. Almost there. Okay, so now, can you provide some prompts for generating images for these slides using Bing Image Creator or DALL-E? Okay, so let's see, because okay, so sometimes I'll run into an error. Let's just say using the prompts for generating images using Bing Image Creator. Okay, so let me just try this again. Regenerate. Okay, let's see if it works this time. Otherwise, I'll change the prompt. Okay, so I just want to have some images that I can use to make the presentation more exciting. But once, let me reload the page. Maybe that's what's holding it back. So once I get some images, I'll ask it to write a VBA script that will automate the creation of the PowerPoint presentation, and I will just go and run it in PowerPoint. So let me try one last time. Regenerate here. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's giving me some prompts, and I will use one of those prompts shortly. So if you go to Bing Image Creator, you can give it a prompt here, and it will create the image. But I'm in DALL-E, so I can also actually ask DALL-E to create one of the images. So let me start with um, this prompt here and say I need an image based on the following prompt here. And while it's doing that, let me go to Bing Image Creator and ask it the same thing. I need an image based on the following. Okay, so let me go back here and see if okay, so you can see it has come up with some nice images. Let me download this one. Download. Okay, and then let me now ask it, can you write me a VBA script that will create a presentation based on the content you generated? Okay, and so I'll just hit enter. If so once it's done, I'll just copy this into VBA in PowerPoint and run it, and I'll add the image, and you'll see that very quickly I can get a very nice looking presentation with the help of ChatGPT and the image creation tool DALL-E. Okay, so it even tells me what to do, but I'm just going to go copy and paste the code, copy, and then I go here and I have so let's see, this is in PowerPoint. I can use Alt F11, so Alt key and then F11 will bring up the VBA editor, and then I go to insert module and right click paste the code here and then run it, and let's see what we get when it's done running. Okay, so it did create the presentation here. You can see it's added some stuff already, and so I can add more content to it. But let me try to add the image that it created for me. So here I made it create an image. I asked it to create an image for the first slide. Okay, so that's the title slide. So I'm going to move that image into the title slide and go here and let's insert. Let me click here, insert. Because I'm just going, this is my downloads folder, so I'm just going to insert a picture from this device. And once I insert it, I'll add a little bit of styling to it. So here in my downloads folder is my image that I just downloaded. And I'm going to add it to the slide. Let me resize it because it's too large. Resize it. And actually, maybe I want to make this slide a different kind of slide. I want something that can take an image. And so let me see which one I want. Title and content, maybe. Let me use title and content. And then now I have my image here. Obviously, I can style it all day, but you can see the designer tool allows me to make this even prettier. So if I choose this option here, there's my slide, and I can change the title text all day. But you get the idea, is I can use the designer to make this look much better. And so that's the power of using ChatGPT to automate PowerPoint presentations. If you give it the right instructions, you can get all the content, images, and style it anyhow you like to make this presentation really exciting. So if you like this video, then like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I post the next video.